Okay, I've got a nice Troy-Bilt Mustang 50-inch. It's got a 50-inch deck with 3 blades on it. It's got the oversized front casters and a little bit bigger back wheels with a little bit wider stance than your regular homeowner mowers. It's got a 25 horsepower Kohler. Only 400 hours on this mower. It operates great. I'll start it up and show you how she goes. Seat's not all cracked out or anything. No smoke, no problems. The only thing that's a little bit different on this mower is the PTO was fixed at some point or replaced, and this switch was put in for the PTO instead of this one. So the circuitry on this one's abandoned, and you've got this little toggle switch instead. I'll fire it up. 403 hours. Runs real smooth. I'll idle it down for you. No bad vibrations or shaking or anything like that. Grab it back up. Deck height adjustments right here. We'll go ahead and lower that down a little bit. My grass is cut, but I've got a little bit of taller grass right over here. Tall enough to see in the video, I think. Deck operates nice and smooth. It's not shaking or making any noises that it shouldn't be making. This mower's got good ground speed too. Definitely not sluggish. Hopefully you can see that in the video. The area I cut versus the area I didn't cut over here. Engage the blades. Flip the toggle. Cover it up. Operates great.